What's up guys, and it's time to talk about the Samsung Developer Conference 2019. Just like last year, this one has been a banger as well. We have a lot of stuff to talk about. Samsung has confirmed the new design and form factor for the Galaxy Fold 2. What you're seeing right now is a compact version of the Galaxy Fold 2. It's a phone-like design. It looks very similar to the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy Note 10. It's got a punch-hole design towards the middle, but the shape of the phone looks like the Galaxy S10. So it's like a perfect hybrid between the S10 and Note 10 design, and this can fold. According to Samsung, it will open a new door of possibilities for users to interact with their device, as seen with this one example of this camera UI working on this new compact form factor of the Galaxy Fold 2nd generation. Obviously, One UI 2.0 will be completely optimized to work with that. Again, I do want to point out that there will most likely be a bigger version, a tablet/phone hybrid version of the Galaxy Fold 2 as well, for those who want to play big. That's going to be the successor to the current Galaxy Fold, but there will be a compact version of the Fold 2 coming in this form factor. Also, if you notice, just like the first Galaxy Fold device, it has the inward folding instead of the outward folding. So Samsung is still keeping this. Even with its next generation of devices that are scheduled for 2020, most likely we'll see outward folding devices by 2021. But the way things are going, they're actually pretty optimistic. Next year, they want to bring even more foldable devices than ever before, and they have seemingly confirmed their plans at the SDC 2019. Now, apart from the Galaxy Fold 2 compact design reveal, we had a full detailed look at the One UI 2.0. Samsung showed off things like system-wide dark mode, how everything will be easier on the eyes, especially on the lock screen. You're also going to get dynamic lock screen wallpapers, which change every time you press the lock screen button. I have seen this on the Huawei phones, but now it's coming to Samsung as well. We have even more one-handed friendly UI elements on the phone. There's going to be new gestures and some hidden stuff that Samsung didn't talk about, is the slow-mo selfie support coming from the front camera, and of course a brand new 30-second night mode with the Pro mode. One UI 2.0 will roll out to Galaxy Note 10 and S10 devices before December. Hopefully Samsung will be much faster with the update compared to the last year. They also talked about their Knox security, some improvements to the Bixby, and also the improvements to the Smart Things app, which is the connection to your smart devices. And that's about it. That is what happened at the SDC 2019. The major news obviously is the compact design look of the Galaxy Fold 2nd generation. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.